Hey everybody, Greg here, and I'm back at the workbench on this Monday morning. Looks like it's gonna be a bright sunny day here in Western New York. Maybe a bit cooler than we would like, but hey, if the sun's shining, we'll take it. So, I just wanna show you a little progress on the 72 Chevy ramp trucks I've been working on here, off and on for the past few months. Getting real close to buttoning this thing up. So yesterday I did some work on the body here. I think I still got the emblem to do. Interior's complete. Engine bay. Decals, yeah, this is the scheme I come up with. The Hot Wheels, back window, Chevy emblem, the hood. Yeah, I don't know. I was going to put the stripes on, but I don't know. Kind of liking it how it is. The chassis, this has been done for quite some time. Slightly weathered engine, some weathering on the chassis. Basically everything's going to sit down onto that. Got the ramp bed pretty much done. The only things left is tail lights need to go on the back here. Yeah, decals all on. We got all the accoutrements. Yeah, all the tools and stuff here. Still working on some of this. Got a little more detailing to do. We got the mirrors to do. But this is just a quick update. I'll be back here sometime with a completed 72 Chevy ramp truck. We'll see you in a few. Okay. About 10 hours later, finally getting back to this part. Got the ramp truck all finished up here finally. Took a little bit of work. Had some other things to take care of in the meantime. So, had a few errands to go and do. But, yeah, it's evening and I'm gonna do a final on this thing. Yeah, it's kind of a cool looking truck. I used a couple different decal sheets. Used part of the sheet that came in the kit, and then I had another Hot Wheels kit that I pirated decals from, and I guess it came out all right. Not 100% perfect. It's not 100% square in the back. Somehow that ramp body does not sit just square on the chassis. I don't know, the mounting points, something's off on it a little bit, but I guess for all intents and purposes, you know, it looks good. I'm satisfied with it. This was a kit that my son David had got for me for Christmas a few years ago. And David and Jenna are on their honeymoon. So I thought I should get this thing finished up. I used some of the tools in the kit, the jack stand. I think there's a toolbox, a gas can, fire extinguisher. That's all included in the bed of the truck. There's a bunch of little hand tools and such that, well, I didn't use them on the kit itself because either I'd have to glue them all down or they'd be loose. I decided I didn't want to do that. So I put what I wanted in there. I can take the other ramp parts. They're loose in there. They can come out at some point in time. I may try to display this with the full ramps out and possibly have some vehicle on here. I don't have anything on here right now. Somebody asked if I was gonna build something special for it, and yeah, that could happen. I haven't got anything set up right now, but there's a possibility. These things just sort of sitting there, so they're not really glued in, but I'm kind of happy with it. It's one of those that I like the color scheme, red and black. That's probably my favorite color scheme. The yellow decals bring the thing to life a little bit. So there it is, the 72 Chevrolet Racers Wedge ramp truck in the Hot Wheels livery. And I want to thank you all for stopping by and following along. I appreciate everybody that checks in, gives me a thumbs up, comments, and subscribes. Yeah, I appreciate every one of you. So there it is. This is all I got for today. Gotta get on to the next project. So I'll catch y'all later. Bye.